Hey guys, just making a quick video about something I found about this car. Pretty funny. I'm just washing the car. It's actually nice in Chicago for once, like 90 degrees, nice and warm. So I'm just washing the car, right? I'm gonna spray a little bit on the handle. Did you see that? I just closed my car by spraying some water on the handle. Obviously I have the remote access key in my pocket, so that makes sense, but it's just funny that, you know, it would open the car with just water. And it's the same thing on this side as well. Oh, and look at that, the car's open. BMW future.